Test your English grammar and welcome to the channel. Neither of the students dash gone there. What will come here? Is it option A? Is it option B? Or is it option D? Okay. Before giving you the answer of this question, let me give you some basic idea. Okay. Look at here. After neither of, we can use plural noun or pronoun. Then we can use singular verb or plural verb. So we have independence, right? Look at here. After neither of, we can use singular verb, and this is very formal style. Basically, we'll follow this style, or also we can use plural verb, and this is very informal. So now come to the point. So has is singular but have is plural, so we can use both. That is, the right answer will be D. Neither of the students has gone there, or neither of the students have gone there. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.